guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the Hard Rock Resort in the Maldives. This is located at the Crosswinds Marina. This resort, you guys, was so beautiful. In a prior video, I shared some information about the marina overall and some of the restaurants we ate at. So this is going to be a deep dive into our Hard Rock Resort stay. We booked an overwater bungalow, and the resort does offer a bunch of different packages, which they will brief you on when you check in. So they have half board, full board, all inclusive, so on and so forth. And I'll share a little bit more information as we go along. We're starting off with the room tour. So within the room, they gave us a pack and play for our daughter, and we had an overwater bungalow that did not have a pool, which was great because little girls are a little adventurous. But overall, I thought the room was nice and spacious. We did not see any mosquitoes really during our stay, which I also thought was amazing. And the bathroom as well was very nice and structured in a way where I felt like it was usable for everyone. So within the rooms, just because of the proximity to water, being that you're above water and you have water in the front and the back, they do have life jackets. So I thought that was a plus as well. The package that we did was an all-inclusive package, but this wasn't like, I guess, the highest level all-inclusive package, because even though it was all-inclusive, it wasn't really all-inclusive. We, as part of our package, would get one free entree, a drink, and a dessert/appetizer at each mealtime from any of the restaurants across the resort or across the marina. All right, so this space here is like the main dining hall. This is where they would have the breakfast buffet, and they also had lunch and dinner service throughout. I believe this place was called Sessions. Overall, I liked it. There was an outside-ish space. So of course there was like the outside space where you can sit outside, but they also had this kind of indoor covered space that led to the outdoors, and then they had an actual interior space as well. You guys already know breakfast is like my favorite meal of the day. So they had a very expansive breakfast spread, from like salad stations to cereal stations. They also had some food that you could order, such as omelets, which you guys know are my absolute favorite. They had fruits. I mean, really the whole 9 yards. As I mentioned in my prior video, I definitely preferred the breakfast buffet at Hard Rock over the one that was hosted by Sky Lagoon. And if you do have any sort of food allergies, they are able to accommodate it a bit. They already had some items out that, of course, are allergen friendly, but you can also let them know and they'll do their best to accommodate it. So our first night at the resort, that's actually where we went to for dinner when we eventually woke up. And I got a little Cornish hen set up. My husband got steak. And then for my daughter, we got her some spaghetti. So another restaurant that we visited on the property is called the Elephant and Butterfly. This restaurant is actually right next to the poolside and across from the beach. This is a nice little restaurant to pop into if you're spending your afternoon by the water. And I think the menu is pretty expansive. So once again, you can get a free drink, appetizer, and meal. And that's what we did. The pool at the resort was simply amazing. I mean, it's one large pool, but it's beautiful, and then they have cabanas along the side. And then right near it, you also have the beach. The water at the beach was so beautiful. It looks a lot better than it does in this video, let me tell y'all. And then because we're above water, we definitely got to see some stingrays and some baby shark doo-doo-doos. So I'm just showing you a few other spots on the property. This was like, I guess it was kind of like a lounge area. I think it was for the kids during the day, but we went during the nighttime because our sleep schedule was so thrown off. So we checked it out at night, kind of walked through. Overall, it was a pretty spacious area. They did have staff eventually there, so I think that was one thing that I liked, just the fact that there was staff all around. So if you have any questions or concerns or whatever, you know, you have someone that can address it. And I also loved this mural that was at the top of the space. So on the bottom of the main building is the Sessions Dining Hall, but when you actually go upstairs, it is the arrival area. And so the arrival area does have just general seating for folks, and then it also has a Hard Rock shop, which was closed, of course, since we were checking it out at night. That's pretty much all that I have for our resort stay. Absolutely loved it. Loved being able to watch sunrise on a few of the days. And overall, I just really appreciated the calming nature of the water by our resort. So I would definitely recommend giving this resort a try if you are ever looking to go to the Maldives. That's all I have for this video. Please make sure that you like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel for more content. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.